Today's engineers have different challenges.
Here at Bristol Temple Mead Station, we're renewing the covering to this overall barrel vault roof. It's a very interesting and challenging project because it's 112 years old, the roof, and it's also Grade 1 listed of architectural and historical importance. This means that we're trying to preserve the existing appearance as much as possible, retaining all the existing wrought ironwork and the appearance of the timber boarding, but introducing modern materials where it's going to be much easier for us to maintain. Of course, the whole of this work has got to be carried out whilst keeping the station running, and that's really quite a challenge.
I've worked on the main station roof in Paddington, bridges in Reading, track works in Bristol, and a viaduct in Cornwall. Currently, I'm working on this new bridge in Wales, designing the foundations and the flood spans.
Large engineering companies now have the skills to build locomotives and coaches, but their repair and maintenance is still done by teams of British rail engineers. There are different engineers to design and maintain the indicator boards, TV monitors, station clocks, information systems, and the public address. They also design and maintain the largest private telephone system in the country.
Most people think the British Rail Telecoms engineer deals with just mainly telephone exchanges. We cater for more than that. We deal with fibre optic links, data circuits, transmission equipment, passenger information systems, as well as the up-to-date electronic switching system you see here.
Here we have our latest radio system, which allows us to communicate between the trackside and offices. This is some old analogue transmission equipment, which is now being replaced by this digital transmission equipment, which uses fibre optic technology. This allows us to get something like around 2,000 telephone calls down one small fibre optic cable.
With modern technology and a little help from the microchip, engineers are now able to control signals and points by tracker ball and TV screen, just like a video game. But where do new members of the team come from? Well, usually straight from school or college. They learn new skills in the classroom and outside.
My friends thought I was mad at first, but then, when they used to hear me coming home saying how much I enjoyed it, they changed their minds. Quite a few of my friends now want to join me.
Now, having got a well-trained team and a good product together, it has to be marketed.
Or causing a 4-mile tailback.
Brilliant. See you at 11.
We'll take you there.
I wonder how the boys are.
We'll take you there.
I wish you lived nearer.
We'll take you there.
Can't you play somewhere else?
We'll take you there.
I'll need something new for tonight.
We'll take you there.
Directly. Rapidly. Frequently. Comfortably. Regional Railways. We'll take you there.
Let us take you there. We'll take you there.
Network 7B, take one.
What makes this network different?
The sheer amount of traffic we handle in the rush hour.
Every 7 minutes on this line.
Every 5 minutes on some.
8,000 trains a day.
In this one little corner of the country.
Almost 2 million passenger trips
Every day.
It takes a lot of teamwork.
Networks all this. All for one and one for all.
The way I see it, we ain't perfect, but we ain't bad.
Something you've always got to remember.
The railways can be a very dangerous place if you're not careful, and it is the job of other members of the team, the British Transport Police, to talk to young people about it. Often films are shown to illustrate the point.
So I want you to remember what happened to Robbie and never let it happen to one of you.
The Railway Police is more highly trained than other forces, but is the only national force. Its work is to protect the railway and its passengers. They look after the London Underground stations as well, and keep them safe. Vandalism and crime on the railways is another concern. Eurostar, British Rail's great vision of the future. It will develop new markets and challenge existing ideas of rail travel. The long-awaited dream of a tunnel from Folkestone to Calais is one of the greatest engineering projects to be completed. Now, British Rail's European passenger services will speed people through the Channel Tunnel and all over Europe. The new international terminals and interchange stations will be based in London, which will give access to the Midlands, the North and to Scotland. Waterloo International Station has been built, and the London Interchange Station is in its planning stage. The very interesting idea for the interchange can be seen in this model. With such a future ahead of it, the railways will still need many more skilled members for its team. It's a big team, and a good team.